How to scan documents in OnePlus. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Play Store of your phone, then search Cam Scanner. Install the Cam Scanner app. After installing it, open it. This kind of screen will pop up. Click on Allow. Click on Camera option, then click the picture of your document. After doing that, it will scan it. You can change the color of it, or you can also rotate the picture to left or right. You can also crop image or extract text from the documents, which will turn into words. Or simply click filters like BMW, Eco, Grayscale, Invert. After you're done, add title. I'll write documents. Then click on the tick mark on bottom right. To share, click on Share PDF. Then click on Drive PDF Viewer. Then you'll find three dots on top right corner of your screen. Click on Download and it will be downloaded to your device. That's how you scan documents in OnePlus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.